Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will guide you through resolving the Windows Update error 0x800705b4. And now let's get started. To begin, let us tackle the first solution, which involves temporarily disabling your Windows Firewall. You can start by searching for Firewall in your Windows search bar and then selecting Windows Defender Firewall. On the left side of the window, you will find an option to turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Click on this, and then choose to turn the firewall off for both private and public network settings. Make sure to click OK to save these changes. It is important to remember that this is a temporary measure. Once your Windows update is successfully completed, please return to the same settings and turn your firewall back on by selecting the appropriate option and clicking OK. Our second approach focuses on the Windows Defender service. To access this, search for Services in your Windows search bar and open the Services application. In the list of services, scroll down until you find the Windows Defender Firewall service. Right-click on it. If the service is not currently running, select Start. After ensuring it is running, select Properties. Within the Properties window, find the Startup Type option. Ensure that this is set to Automatic. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.